Hello. Battle video time. Okay. Here we have Dark Wolf, DF145FS, not Final Survive, Flat Sharp. And we have Dark Wolf, SW. No wait, SW145WD. Yeah, it's SA. Switch attack. SD semi-defense. Approaching. Waiting for the first round to be over. Who will claim victory? The first round goes to Dark Wolf. Round 2. Let it rip. The battle continues. Wolf gets ready to be smashed by the other wolf. Now, how wolf this all turn out? And this time it goes to Burn Wolf. Watching some BBG while this video be going down. No wait, Burn Wolf beat Dark Wolf each time, that's right. So if Dark Wolf loses, this battle's over. And your winner is going to be Burn Wolf. Thanks for viewing. Oh, uppercut, uppercut. Boom.